Alright, welcome back guys. This is going to be probably a very quick video. I'm just going to show you guys if you're having problems with it idling or maybe it just seems to jolt a little bit. It's possible that it's your PCV valve. Now, I've got a kit right here. It's literally just a little plastic piece, a diaphragm, and a spring. It's located right here. All you've got to do is take a flathead, pry it up, pull it out, replace it with the old one. What I'm going to do first is just make sure that this is the problem. If it is, replace it. If not, I'm still going to replace it because I bought one. It's just good to do a little maintenance like this every now and again. I know this is a very common issue. My car has nearly 100,000 miles on it, so probably good to be doing this anyway. But I'm going to put the camera down and just kind of time lapse it. This thing is old, and look at that, it's just falling apart. I guess it's good that we're replacing it. I'm gonna clean this out. This is just from oil. This is in your crankcase or your valve cover, so you're bound to get a little bit of oil blow by in here. That's normal, so don't worry about that. But yeah, let's clean it out, put the new one in. Hopefully it starts running fine. Alright, to clean this I'm gonna use simple green just as I did on the transmission and a paper towel. Because I don't want to get it in the actual valve cover itself, I'm going to spray it directly on the towel and then wipe it down. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. What we're going to do is we're going to put this spring on, like so. Make sure the diaphragm's seated properly. That way when it goes in, there's no issues. So the old one, you'll have this little spout right here. Now that points down, so you'll know what direction it's in. Well, that's fun. Alright, that's all there is to it. Let's take everything out. Let's give the car a good start and see if it idles any better. I don't know how well you can hear me, but this is kind of an easy tell if this worked or not. Before, I could pinch this, move it around, and it would start idling really funky, which kind of led me to believe that it was something in this. But watch this. So there you go. If you're having idle problems, definitely check into the PCV valve. It was only like $14 to replace the diaphragm and the spring and the cover. So really inexpensive fix. Definitely worth it.